Hey everyone, and welcome to the very first video in our brand new series, Playwright Automation Mastery. Today we are kicking things off by answering a fundamental question: what exactly is Playwright and why should you even care about it for your automation journey? You have likely heard the buzz around web automation, end-to-end testing, and ensuring software quality. Well, in that landscape, Playwright has rapidly emerged as a game changer, and by the end of this video, you will understand why. So, let's get straight to it. What is Playwright? At its core, Playwright is an open source automation library developed by Microsoft. Its primary purpose is to enable reliable end-to-end testing and automation for modern web applications. So, think of it as a powerful remote control for your web browser. But it's not just any remote control, it's designed to interact with web pages exactly how a real user would, but with incredible speed and precision. Now, why is Playwright booming? One of its biggest advantages and truly a standout feature is its cross-browser support from a single API. This means you write your test scripts once and Playwright can run it natively across Chromium, Firefox, and WebKit, which powers Safari. This consistency is huge because it allows you to maintain a leaner code base without sacrificing coverage across major browsers. In today's diverse web, ensuring your application looks and behaves consistently everywhere is paramount, and Playwright makes that effortless. And another reason Playwright rocks is its built-in intelligence for handling modern web apps. Web applications today are dynamic. They are built with framework like React, Angular, and Vue, and they constantly change. Older automation tools often struggle with this, leading to flaky tests that fail inconsistently. Playwright, however, was designed specifically for these modern UIs. It has smarter auto-waiting mechanisms that automatically wait for elements to become visible, enabled, and stable before interacting with them. This significantly reduces test flakiness, which is a major pain point for QA teams. You don't have to manually sprinkle in weights everywhere, and this saves you a lot of time and headaches. Beyond just interacting with elements, Playwright also offers powerful debugging and reporting tools. Features like Playwright Trace Viewer can record every step of your test run, including DOM snapshots, network traffic, and console logs. This is invaluable when a test fails, helping you quickly pinpoint exactly what went wrong. You also get automatic screenshots and video recordings on failure, making issue reproduction a breeze. Plus, with recent updates, Playwright is even integrating with AI tools like GitHub Copilot in VS Code to suggest fixes for test failures, which is incredibly exciting for boosting productivity. You might be thinking, what about other tools like Selenium or Cypress? It's a great question, and each has its place. Selenium has been around for a long time and is very flexible with language support, but it can struggle with speed and flakiness due to its architecture. Cypress is fast and developer-friendly, especially for JavaScript-centric teams, but traditionally has had more limited cross-browser support compared to Playwright. Playwright really bridges the gap, offering the speed and developer experience of modern tools with comprehensive cross-browser and multi-language support. It supports JavaScript, the TypeScript, Python, Java, .NET. So it's truly built for the challenges of today's web development landscape. And here is something else that's really powerful. While Playwright is fantastic for UI automation, it also has robust capabilities for API testing. You might know tools like Postman for API testing, which are excellent. But what's cool about Playwright is that it allows you to make API requests and validate responses directly within your test scripts, even integrating these API calls seamlessly with your UI tests. Can, for example, use an API call to set up test data before interacting with the UI, or validate backend changes after a UI action. It's a unified solution for full stack validation. Finally, Playwright is CI/CD friendly, meaning it integrates smoothly into your continuous integration and continuous delivery pipelines, allowing you to run tests faster and more efficiently as part of your development workflow. It's open source and backed by Microsoft, which ensures active development and a strong community. So that's a quick rundown of why Playwright is such a compelling choice for automation. It's fast, reliable, cross-browser, and packed with features designed for modern web applications. In our next video, we will dive into setting up your environment and writing your very first Playwright test. If you found this explanation helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for the rest of this series, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.